It's time to try Aviary White. We wait all year for this variety. This is a dragon fruit that grows in what was once a beautiful aviary full of cockatoos, parakeets, and lovebirds. Now it's just the only thing that lives in the aviary is this white dragon fruit. And it seems to be an undatus. Let's cut it open and find out what we're working with. Ooh, nice. Clean cut. It's a beauty. This is Aviary White. Okay, we're going to get a sample from the core, right from the center. And this is very juicy. So let's get some juice out of there. Ooh, I think that's enough, huh? Okay, let's hit the measure. 17.6. It's been better. This was picked at 34 days. I believe Aviary White bloomed. Those triplets bloomed on the same night as Godzilla. 17.6, so 34 days. Okay, let's do the taste test. It's very enjoyable. It's sweet. 17.6. It's still good. There's a bit of
tartness.
A little bit of tart, so there's some complexity to it. Very sweet. Some tart in there. I enjoy the seeds. Nice pop.
I like it crunchy. It's firm and crunchy.
It tastes very fresh and clean. People say something tastes tropical. I think it's a vague way to say, to describe something, but this definitely tastes like,
Last year it was 20.
it was 20, but it does taste like something out of a Hawaiian Sun